Okay, so this is the rod here, and it's this beautiful like matte finish, but it's not shiny. It's a warmish gold. It's not like so gold, which I love. And I went with the plumbing rod because I just thought it's just different from your traditional curtain rod. And my whole inspiration for like my decor is mainly more industrial. If you haven't noticed, that's like the trend now. Like concrete, ash, like tarnished look, and that's what's actually trending. And it's becoming more trendy versus it's going out. It's like, what is the norm? And so I did go with that because I do love the look of the plumbing. It's like industrial. Mainly that's what I'm going for. And these are another set of the curtains, which I'm considering putting 2 sets of that one window, but I don't know, that might be too heavy. Just so that you can see, because he's about to do another, he's about to hang up another rod. It was a little difficult because he had to like actually go through the concrete to get the hole in there. Of course, we want to secure it. So this is the actual material. If you can see that. It's really, really nice. It's like a linen. It's like a faux linen. It's probably nylon something, but it's like a faux linen. But it's very much giving linen, and I love it because it's sheer, but it has texture. And these are 120-inch curtains. So that was my issue with going into any store to look for curtains. You just can't find the length. And I went with 120 because I knew it would be long enough. And also I didn't want, and I did want a dramatic effect. You want the piece now? So this is the actual top of the curtain here, and I'm just going to fold these and pin them, and then I'm going to measure each one and continue to do that in the same way.